Hello guys, welcome back to my new channel. So today we are studying on chapter 2 of geography, latitudes and longitudes. Let's start. Question number 1. Answer the following questions briefly. A. What is the true shape of the earth? Answer is the earth is a spherical in shape. It is slightly flattened at the north and south poles and bulged at the equator due to the outward force caused by the rotation of the earth. This shape of the earth described as a geoid, that is an earth-like shape. B. What is a globe? Answer. Globe is a true model miniature form of the earth. On the globe, countries, continents and oceans are shown in their correct sites. C. What is the latitudinal value of the Tropic of Cancer? Answer. The Tropic of Cancer lies 23 upon 2 Celsius degree north of the equator. D. What are the three heat zones of the earth? Answer is the three heat zones of the earth are the torrid zone, the temperature zone and the frigid zone. E. What are the parallels of latitude and meridians of longitudes? Answer. All parallel circles from the equator up to the poles are called parallels of latitudes. Latitudes are measured in degrees. The lines of references running from the North Pole to South Pole are called meridians of longitudes. F. Why does the torrid zone receive maximum amount of heat? Answer. The area between the Tropic of Cancer and the Tropic of Capricorn is known as the torrid zone. The midday sun is exactly overhead at least once a year on all the latitudes is in this area, hence this area receives maximum amount of heat. G. Why is it 5:30 p.m. in India and 12 noon in London? Answer. In London, the Greenwich Mean Time (GMT) is followed. The Green Mean Time (GMT) is the full form of GMT is a short form of Greenwich Mean Time. Is followed. The Indian Standard Meridian is located 82 upon 2 degree east of the prime meridian. Thus, the Indian Standard Time (IST). The IST full form is Indian Standard Time is 5 hours and 30 minutes ahead of GMT. So, when it is 12 noon in London, it is 5:30 in India. Question number 2. Tick the correct answers. A. The value of the prime meridian is the 0 degree. B. The frigid zone lies near. Your options are given: the poles, the equator and the Tropic of the Cancer. Then answer is the poles. Number C. The total number of longitudes are, options are 360, 180 and 90. Answer is 360. D. The Antarctic Circle is located in, options are the northern hemisphere, the southern hemisphere and the earthern hemisphere. Answer is the southern hemisphere. E. Grid is a network of, options are parallel of latitudes and meridians of longitudes. the Tropic of Cancer and the Tropic of Capricorn, the North Pole and the South Pole. Answer is parallel of latitudes and meridians of longitudes. Question number 3. Fill in the blanks. A. The Tropic of Capricorn is located at 23 1/2 degree south of the equator. B. The standard meridian of India is 82 1/2 degree E. C number. The 0 degree meridian is also known as the prime meridian. Answer is prime meridian. D. The distance between the longitude decreases towards the poles. Answer is the poles. E. The Arctic Circle is located at the northern hemisphere. Answer is northern. Thank you. If you like this video, then please like and subscribe to this channel. Thank you.